Okay, so I've opened up Sage CRM 7.3 and I've gone into the administration section. Here you can see the person icon on the bottom left. This is the one that we're going to be replacing. So first we install the entity image uploader. You can change the path if you need to, obviously. And we'll get rid of the installation file just to tidy up. I already have an icon ready, a PNG file. So now we've started up entity image uploader. And right, as you can see, you have the instance name, which is CRM in this particular case, or whatever you've called it during the installation. We want to replace the person entity icon, so we put that in there, and then we load our image that we've got onto the desktop. So let's go and find that. Icon person.png. They can be GIFs or ICO files as well. And we're restarting IIS afterwards as well with that checkbox. Now, because person already exists, it's giving you a warning that it's going to replace those files. So if you press yes to continue, it's now creating the files there and restarted IIS successfully. Right, so now let's go back into Sage CRM 7.3. And back into the administration section. The point of restarting IIS is to clear the icon cache, but in this particular case it hasn't seemed to work. So we just refreshed the browser there, and as you can see, the person icon is now the one we replaced it with. And there in the menu, and there you have it. Thank you.